We're working on an emission failure today. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. What we have here is a 2016 Mustang with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. It failed because of check engine lights on. Check engine lights on because of a P0301, which is a number 1 cylinder misfire. So what's happening on this car is when it's first started in the morning, it has a misfire for just like 30 seconds and then it goes away. And the reason it's doing that is because you have a head gasket, and one of the things that the head gasket does is it seals coolant, radiator fluid, antifreeze, whatever you want to call it, from the engine and separates that from the cylinder where the piston and the spark plug are at. So particularly when it sits overnight, a little bit of that antifreeze or coolant drips into that cylinder, so in the first thing in the morning it does not run properly and it gets that misfire on number 1. So we had to remove the head, have the machine shop machine it smooth, put a new gasket on it. Fortunately for this customer, they are in the VVRP program in Arizona, which means they get some assistance on the repair so they don't have to foot the whole bill. Hope this video has been informational for you today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.